Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I am not out fishing today. Unfortunately, not able to get out today, but I wanted to give you guys a quick channel update. Today is 1 year since I uploaded my first video to YouTube, my first fishing video. I made it with an old phone. It was stuffed in my waders. It was a trout fishing video. If you haven't seen that, I'm gonna go ahead and link it down there. It's pretty bad. Since then, I have upgraded and got a couple of GoPros, and I've learned some tricks in editing, so I'm trying to put out better content for you guys. And the growth I'm seeing in the channel leads me to believe that that is happening. So today, here where I sit, it's October 7th, and I'm at 209 subscribers. I want to thank everybody who has subscribed, everybody who's watched, even if you aren't subscribed. And if you aren't, go ahead and do that right now if you wouldn't mind. I appreciate it. Trying to get to 300 by the end of the year. And then in January, we'll reassess and do what we think we can do for next year. I'd love to be able to hit that 1,000 mark by the end of next year. That's a bit ambitious, but I think it's possible, especially with some of the things that I have planned for the next year and even for the rest of this fall. So let's talk about a couple of things that we got going on. I sold the Feel Free Moken 10 V2. I sold that last weekend, so I am on the hunt for a new kayak. I really am interested in a pedal kayak, so I'm hoping to get out later this afternoon and go look at a few, maybe even bring one home. So that'll probably be one of the next videos you guys see if I'm able to actually secure one. So I have a couple that I'm looking at, and so stick with me on that one, and when I get it, we'll do a full walk through before we get on the water with it, and then we'll do an on-water review, and then down the road we'll do a after 6 months or a year or whatever it is of having that kayak. The other thing I have is was supposed to go down to Fort Myers Beach here this fall, doing a little travel fishing. As you heard me talk earlier, we're supposed to go to Fort Myers Beach for Thanksgiving as a family, and we were going to do some fishing down there. All that with Hurricane Ian, I'm not sure where all that stands. We're still going to Florida. We're still going to go to Southwest Florida. I'm hoping that I'm still going to be able to get out and do some fishing. I don't know if I'm going to be able to hook up with Captain Medi and get out for some saltwater fish. I've reached out to him. I haven't heard back from him yet, but I'm hoping that everything's okay and that we can still make that happen. But if not, I'm still going to do some, I have some other ideas. Maybe go to Bass Pro, buy a couple of lures, and see if I can go out to the beach and catch some fish. That's if I can get there. So as of right now, Fort Myers Beach is closed to anybody, even if you're a resident or have a property there. You're not allowed onto the island until the coming week here. So I don't know how all that's going to play out. Hurricane Ian really wrecked Fort Myers Beach and Sanibel Island and that area, and that is unfortunately our favorite vacation spot. So hopefully we can still get out there and get some content filmed for you. But most importantly for today, I just wanted to thank everybody who's subscribed to the channel, everybody who's watched the videos. I really appreciate y'all's support, and let's grow this thing for the rest of the year. Let's hit that 300 by the end of December. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw in a couple of clips here of some trips out that really didn't turn out all that great, but I did catch a few nice fish. So I'm going to throw those in here now that you haven't seen. Just didn't think there was enough content there to make a good video. One of the trips because it was pouring down rain. But anyway, I want to thank you all for your support. Go down there, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video. Again, thank you for your support. We'll catch you on the next one. There's something. There's a good one. First fish on a chatterbait. What do we have here? Probably good smallie. Oh, really good smallie. Really good smallie. Man, he just thumped that. Chatterbait. Oh gosh, look at that. That is a chunk. First fish I've ever caught on a chatterbait. Black and blue Z-Man chatterbait. Let's get a measure on this guy. Whew. Look at that. Boy, he's got some sores around his butthole there. Closed. He is 16 and a quarter. Beautiful fish, guys. Get a good release on him. There you go, buddy. Thank you. Away he goes. There's one. That's a little better fish. Dude, let's just take a look at you. I'm gonna make you famous. Not a giant, but a good way to start the morning. There's one right. That's a good fish, Rye. Wow, Rye, this is a good fish. Wow, yeah, that's what we're out here for.